Good afternoon, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this absolutely stunning 2023 Lotus Emira first edition we've just got into stock. This one is two owners. It's done 14,000 miles. Obviously full Lotus service history. Last been done, I think it was in March of this year. So this one is obviously finished in Magma red. And then it's got some really nice options. The all-important touring suspension. Obviously got the gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels with the yellow brake calipers. Vast majority of the car is covered in PPF. So the full front end, I think it's got, yeah, all up the pillars, the roof, all down the sides of the car. And obviously you've got the black exterior styling pack. So just moving on over to the interior. The electric seats with the black alcantara and the leather with the red stitching. The interior is absolutely lovely in this, obviously the all-important manual. The KEF speaker system. You've got memory function on the driver's side. Satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that good stuff. The push button start, dual climate control, all of your drive mode selects down there as well. And again, your first edition denotions on the dashboard there as well. But condition wise, it's absolutely stunning, this car. This is also, I believe, been fitted with a Miltek Switchable sports exhaust as well, so giving it the sound that it always should have from the factory. We've also got down there the reverse camera, obviously parking sensors, and that V6 at the back. So just over 400 horsepower these, and they drive absolutely amazingly, as I'm sure you'd expect if you haven't driven one of these already. Brilliant cars to drive. On there you've got all of your cruise control, speed limiter, etc. And then in the cabin now, so you'll notice you've got the Tour up there, so you have got all of your different drive mode selects which are on there: Tour, Sport and Track. Again, this has got the Tour suspension as well. So on here there's a bunch of different bits that you can get. So on here, your track widgets, you can change this through different gauges, G-force, tyre pressures, etc. If you just come out of track mode again, into sport, again, this centre console, you've got loads of different options, lap timers, different gauges, your odometers, etc. Even your satellite navigation, so it's literally just like virtual cockpit from Audi and VW. Multifunction square sort of shaped steering wheel. It's very nice. Electric heated, folding, dimming door mirrors, and then on here the obvious bits: satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, etc. All your lap timers and your other bits and bats in there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Is that a wireless charger? Don't know. Somewhere to put your phone anyway. Oh, sorry, I've just turned the fans on full blast. And then obviously all your drive mode selects, your push button start and your manual gearbox, automatic lights, automatic wipers, etc. But these things are absolutely amazing to drive. It's a very fun little car, this. But if you're after basically the perfect spec on one of these, I reckon that's probably about it. There you go, there's a quick video of that one. If you are interested in full details of this, please don't hesitate to contact one of the team here at Kingsbridge. We'll be more than happy to help, and we shall see you on the next one.